Hello बच्चों, the question is the cuboidal epithelium and the options are A. It is composed of a single layer of tube-like cells. Option B is commonly found in the ducts of glands and tubular parts of the kidneys. It is associated with microvilli in PCT. C option is takes part in secretion and absorption, and D part is all. So the cuboidal epithelium is composed of cube-like cells. So here the cells are cube-like, so that's the reason it is called cuboidal epithelium. So this one is true, the cells are cuboidal. Now it is found in the duct of gland. So this one is true, as we see in case of salivary gland. So this is a salivary gland which is composed of numerous cells, and here the duct, it means this tube which carries the secretion. So this is lined with the cuboidal epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, which is composed of a single layer of cell. So this one is true. And the tubular parts in kidney. So tubular part in kidney, it means nephron. So in case of nephron, the parts like the PCT, loop of Henle and the DCT, these are lined with the cuboidal epithelium. As we see that this is the Bowman's capsule. So here there is simple squamous epithelium, but here in PCT, collecting duct, the loop of Henle, the DCT and the collecting duct, these are having the simple cuboidal epithelium. So this one is true. It is associated with microvilli in PCT. So this one is also true, that here in the PCT, this part is the proximal convoluted tubule or PCT. So if we draw a section of this PCT here, so this one is lined with cuboidal epithelium. And when we say that it has microvilli, it means the cells are having finger-like projections to increase the surface area. So these finger-like projections here on the free surface, the cells are having the finger-like processes, and these processes are known as microvilli. And these microvilli, due to presence of microvilli, this epithelium is also known as brush border epithelium. So this is the brush border epithelium. So due to presence of the microvilli, the epithelium of PCT is also known as the brush border epithelium. And the function of these microvilli is to increase the surface area. So this one is also true. Now the cuboidal epithelium takes part in secretion and absorption. So this one is also true. As we see in case of duct, the function of duct is to secrete some chemical. So here the epithelium is helping in the secretion, and it also helps in absorption, as in case of epithelium of PCT. Here there is the filtrate. From the glomerulus, there is a filtrate formed by the ultrafiltration. This filtrate now moves in the PCT, and from PCT the essential or the useful materials are absorbed in the PCT. So these cells, this microvilli, this is increasing surface area for the absorption of material. And also you see in case of the intestinal epithelium, where the epithelium is helping in the absorption of digested food. So this one is also true. So all the given three options are correct. So the right explanation or the right answer of this question is option D. All the best.